We're treading into new old territory today. I am bringing you a Loft plus size try-on haul. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Oralia. It has been quite some time since I have done a Loft haul. I think the last time that I brought Loft onto the channel was probably around 2 years ago. I don't know why I don't shop at the Loft more often, but I don't until now. I wanted to branch out. I wanted to bring you something different, something that wasn't Walmart or Target. And so I thought that I would take a look at the Loft. And I like the Loft. I've liked the Loft for many years, and sometimes they are a bit forgotten in my own mind. Now, it used to be that the Loft carried some of their extended sizing in petite, but I don't know if that's changed or not because I had such a weird experience on the website. So I would go into the petite selections and they would have an extra, extra large. I would pick the extra, extra large and put it into my cart. Then I went in to take a look at my cart after I had a bunch of pieces, and they were saying that a lot of the pieces that I had in there were sold out. So I would click on the piece, go back to the petite section, and the XXL option was no longer there. So I don't know if their website is confused or what, but none of what I brought in was in a petite. So I'm not sure if they still carry petites in their extended sizing. That aside, the things that I did bring in, I think are very, very nice. So now that story time is over, let's go ahead and let's get into the haul. By the way, I only brought in 6 pieces just because I was dipping my toe into the water. If you like the Loft, then let me know in the comments and I will continue to shop there because they had a lot. They really, really did. A lot of really, really nice things that I was very interested in. But let me know and I can do another haul for you with more stuff. The first piece that I have for you is this flecked cable knit cardigan. I have it in a size extra, extra large. I brought it in the color dark caper. They also have one other color called oat, which is kind of just like a natural ivory-ish kind of color. And I'm not going to talk about the cost for these pieces, by the way, because Loft is always having some sort of a sale. It's either 30% or 40% or, there's just the price can be variable, let's just say. So I'm not going to give you the cost of the piece. You can go check it out if you'd like to. This cardigan is a really good basic cardigan. And right now it's in a very trendy color, although I will argue that this dark caper, aka olive green, is relevant no matter what the trends say. It is in a really great color. If green is not your vibe, then they have that oat color. I really, really like it because I like the cable knitting on it. I think that's really awesome. Now, this sweater does have a little bit of multicolor fleck going through it. That to me makes it a little bit more casual, but I'm okay with it because I think that this is actually a really lovely piece to have. Like I said, it is a really great fall winter wardrobe essential. It's something that you will be able to wear with a lot of different things. Here I'm showing it with a pair of ivory pants that I picked up from Banana Republic. It will look good with a denim, or navy blue I think will look beautiful, or a brown, or even burgundy. You've got a lot of options with this olive green as well as with the oat color. I like the cable knitting on it. I will say that this is a medium to heavyweight cardigan, so this is going to be something that you'll want to wear once the weather starts to kind of really get chilly. But it is a really, really nice cardigan. You can wear it on its own like I'm wearing it here, or you can layer underneath it. It is a little bit chunky, so if you're going to put a coat on over it, make sure that your coat has a little bit of room to spare. I like the sleeves. I like the rib effect that it has. I mean, it's just overall a really, really nice cardigan. I can totally see this being a workhorse in my wardrobe because, it's in a really great color. It's got a lot of style. It can be casual. You can dress it up a little bit too if you want to, but really I feel that this is more of a casual kind of piece. You could absolutely wear it to the office if you work in a more smart casual or business casual office environment. Or if you are a stay-at-home person, then you could absolutely wear this at home. This is a really nice piece to have. I think it's very cozy. It's really nice, and it will elevate your casual looks. I think you could easily pop this on over your outfit to step out to do whatever it is that you need to do. Highly recommend. I think it's really, really pretty. I like the fact that it is a bit cropped. I like the fact that it has a bit of a puff sleeve, and I like the V-neck, absolutely. So a nice piece to add to your wardrobe. Everything that I am talking about today will be linked in the description bar as well as pinned to a comment on this video. Additionally, you may see it pop up here on the corner of the screen because they are a part of the YouTube shop program. So you can shop directly from this video if you choose to do so. Otherwise, you can find them in the description and pinned. Also, you can find them in my Like to Know It shop. So let's go ahead and let's get back to the video. The next piece is something that I feel is a really nice work wear essential, but you could wear it casually too if you want to. There's nothing saying that you can't. It is this straight cuffed crop pant in a houndstooth pattern. I brought it in an 18 regular. The color is light charcoal heather. It's got a really nice houndstooth plaid on it that I really like. I love anything plaid, especially during the fall and winter. These are supposed to be cropped, but because I am 5 feet tall, they actually hit me at the perfect length. But know that, you know, the taller you are, the more it's going to go up. So I think that it's probably supposed to hit you at the ankle if you're like 5'6" on up. I really love the menswear inspired vibe of these pants. Now, they were a smidge too tight on me, which tells me that they are a true 18 because I have put on a little bit of weight, probably 2 to 5 pounds dropped, and they would fit fine. I like the fact that even though they're supposed to be cropped, they're not on me. I do like the wide cuff. If you're nervous about wearing a wide cuff when you're short, with something like this, I would say don't worry about it because it's not contrasting in any way. It kind of just blends in with the pant, but it's a really nice little style detail. It does have slant pockets. It's got your zip and button placket front, and it does have a matching blazer, which I thought was super nice. I didn't bring the blazer in. I just wanted to try the pants out. And here I'm pairing it with a burgundy ruffle cardigan that I picked up from Walmart. I love the way burgundy and gray look together. It's one of my favorite fall winter color combinations, and so I thought it would be very complimentary. And then with a patent kitten heel slingback, pointy toe, really super nice for the office, or if you've got to dress up for any kind of meetings that you have or anything like that. So really great piece, and I love the fact that the length is perfect with a small kitten heel. If you're in the market for some work pants, I would definitely look into these. So the next piece that I have for you is the Loft Versa ribbed wrap sweater. I brought it in a size extra large regular. The color that I have is white clay, and they also have one in black. I really like this white clay color. I think it's so nice. It's like a beige that's got just a touch of gray in it. I really like that color. It's a very unique color. It is also a really great wardrobe essential for the fall winter. It is in a lightweight knit. The knit is very soft, very comfortable. The ribbing stretches. It's one of the more versatile sweaters that you can have because you can dress it up or dress it down. It would suffice for the office. It'll suffice for your everyday life, or you can wear it out with an outfit for date night. Here I am pairing it with my satin pleated skirt with dots from Walmart. And I think that they're a perfect complement to one another because this is a really good outfit that could easily go desk to dinner with the change of a shoe. I'm wearing it with my nude patent leather kitten heel slingbacks. But then if you're taking it out for the evening, you can put on a pair of gold sandals and it will look really beautiful. This neutral is so good because a lot of us tend to go really dark during the fall and winter, but this is a really nice way to bring a little bit of a brighter element into your fall wardrobe, your fall and winter wardrobe that can easily carry over into spring when, you know, we turn the corner and it starts to get a little bit warmer. This is going to be a really great sweater for those 3 seasons. So again, another piece that, like I said, it is a good wardrobe essential, and that's what makes a good wardrobe essential, is having those pieces that can be worn in multiple seasons and in multiple ways. This next piece is one of my favorites. It is a Horsebit V-neck sweater jacket. I brought it in a size extra large. And they don't have it in petite, so it's only in regular. And the only color that they have available is black. I really love the style details of this well, they call it a sweater jacket, and I would call it that because it is a thicker knit. It can be worn as a light outer layer, like an outerwear type piece. But I love the horsebit detail on the pockets. That's what caught my eye when I first came across this on the website. I thought it was a beautiful, beautiful detail on this really great sweater. It's got really pretty gold buttons. It's just such a good piece to have that's got a lot of style punch. I really like the fact that this is a thicker knit. It can serve as an outerwear piece, but you can wear it on its own too. I'm styling it with a Glen plaid trouser. You could wear it with the Houndstooth trousers that I showed a little bit earlier. You can wear it with jeans. You could wear it with a beautiful skirt. You can wear it with anything, and it's gonna look really, really good. And again, that hardware is like chef's kiss amazing. I think that that is such a beautiful touch and really elevates this sweater jacket. So the next piece that I have for you are these Ponty wide leg pants. I brought them in an extra, extra large regular. They're in this deep sea blue, which is like a brighter navy blue. They also have two other colors. They've got a pair of black and a pair of like brighter cerulean blue. I do like a brighter navy because I think it's just such a rich and beautiful color. The pants, being Ponty knit, are very comfortable. You can move around in them. If you're like a teacher or maybe a pediatrician, or maybe you've got kids at home and you move around a lot and have to bend and get on the floor and things like that, these pants are going to be really great for you because they're Ponty. And Ponty is a double gauge knit that holds its shape very well, holds things together for you, and is incredibly comfortable. You can still move around and do things in these pants without feeling constricted. They are a pull-on style. They do have pockets on the sides, but they're zippered shut. They do have a slight flare at the leg, but they're actually beautiful and very comfortable and very well made. I do love the fact that they have got a pin tuck down the front of the pant because it gives the pant a little bit of formality. It gives it a little bit of elevation that is just really, really beautiful. It makes for a great pair of pants, especially if you're going to be wearing these to the office or if you just need to look smart. These pants are super nice. Of course, they fit too long being in a regular length, so I would have to have them tailored, but I still think that these pants are really, really nice and worth the money. Like I said, you're going to be able to move and flex and live your life and do things. Really nice pair of pants, I think. I would definitely recommend that you try them out because they've got a lot of pros in my book that make them totally worthwhile. Then I have this tipped V-neck ribbed cardigan. I have it in a size extra, extra large. It is black and tan. That is the only color variation that they have. This particular sweater, when I first put it on, especially with the skirt that I put it on with, has a definite varsity vibe. I really, really like the way it looks. I think that it is one of the smartest cardigans I have come across in a while. It does have a bit of a varsity vibe, but I am here for it. I really, really like that prep school kind of thing that it has going for it. The fit is really, really nice. It can be worn on its own or you can layer underneath it. It is a light to medium weight knit, and I think that it's at a really great price considering how smart it looks. That's the one thing that I noticed about the Loft is that everything looks really smart. It looks really lovely, especially if you are working, you're in the corporate realm, or you just need to look really nice. These clothes are really, really beautiful. Now, I paired this particular cardigan with my tan faux leather skirt from Walmart. And I also paired it with some leopard print shoes. I think the look is outstanding. This cardigan is going to look really beautiful with any kind of black bottoms that you have, or if you've got anything in a tan color or a camel color. It's going to look really, really sharp, very smart. And it's a lightweight knit, so you can wear it, now, I would say, and then you can wear it throughout the season just with the right coat and all of that. I really like it. It is, by the way, thin enough that you could even put a blazer on over it if you wanted to, but why would you? The details that this has, it's got that really cool contrast color along the neck, down the front, on the sleeves twice. I think that it is a really, really nice, well-made cardigan that you can add to your wardrobe to give your wardrobe a little bit of punch. I like the fact that they paired black and tan. I love black and tan together. The tan accents on this does a really great job of breaking the black up some. And again, gives it that varsity feel. I paired it with some leopard print shoes because I wanted to do a color play. I thought that it would be nice to bring in a pattern to the mix, and I think that it is quite a look. So definitely one that you can play with, and I would recommend that you give this cardigan a try. It's really, really pretty. I'm going to leave you with my last haul here. I believe it was an Amazon haul, so that you can check out some of the really beautiful things that I brought in there that would look really great with a lot of the pieces that I showed you here today. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in that video. Bye.